Copying a multiline text into a single cell in Excel. I want to copy the following into a single cell in Excel. I know that I can use the combination Alt plus Enter on Windows and Control plus Alt plus Enter on Mac to create a line break in the cell, but here I want to copy paste in a single cell, not typing its content. Here is what I get. I want it in a single cell with line breaks.
To paste multi-line content in Excel, all you need to do is double-click the new cell, so you see the arrow thing blinking, and paste, Ctrl plus V.
If you have to do this for more than one cell, replace all line breaks in Word, P or L, with something you can replace. I use line break. Paste into Excel. Replace all line break with the new line/line feed character generated by Alt plus 0010. Hold down Alt on your keyboard and then hit 0010 on your number pad, or hit Ctrl plus J. Redo/reapply wrap text in Excel. Source, remove, replace or separate by line breaks.
I had the same problem now. I found a different, in some cases a better, solution. If you can, surround the clipboard content with quotation marks.
Here's an interesting funny thing about pasting like this in Excel. The choice is currently set in the data vertical, but text to columns functionality in the ribbon change how paste puts this data into a cell. Select some data, even a single cell, and click in the ribbon to start that function. The dialog box appears and choose Delimited, then Next. Now you have the list of possible delimiters. Excel expects add the ability to specify a nice other if you'd like. If the only one checked is Tab, you will be able to paste the kind of data you mention into a single cell with those individual bits on different lines in that cell, just as you wish here. If, for instance, space is checked, you will see the data you wanted on separate lines in a single cell broken into wholly separate cells like you show. It goes more multi-cells, right to left, for spaces, but I've seen it go multi-line as well with internet data. Why? Who knows? Surprisingly, not many even seem to have seen this either. But basically, clear all those checkboxes. Not hard to check them again if you really do want to do text to columns, so, just clear them. Then try the pasting and I'll give odds it goes just fine. All those other approaches work too. They just require some to a lot of extra work and other programs and so on. Use the easiest if the above does not help this time.
Enfie o antes do suporte de Chanel. Aliás, e considere-se um estrelinho.